Chaga is a medicinal mushroom that's been used by traditional cultures for at least a few thousand years. Yet it seems to be just now gaining momentum and popularity in our modern superfood tonic herb adaptogen culture. The qualities associated with this great herb would be first and foremost being a great immune tonic, immune strengthener, immune builder, and immune modulator. On top of that, it's known to be genoprotective, as well as being the #1 antioxidant in the whole mushroom kingdom, really head and shoulders above anything else. From there, it's known to be a great longevity promoting agent, as well as a powerful adaptogen, cleansing and detoxifying agent, as well as just plain tasting good due to its rich concentration of vanillic acid. Chaga is really rich in betulin and betulinic acid. And betulin has been shown to really help with regeneration of skin, for healing of wounds, as well as having a general anti-inflammatory effect. And for that reason, a lot of cosmetic products are actually adding birch bark extract to their products and touting it for its amazing benefits for helping the skin regenerate and heal. Now, as you may or may not know, chaga actually grows on the birch tree, so that's why chaga is able to concentrate and bring in a large amount of betulin and betulinic acid into its fruiting body or sclerotial body. On top of that, betulin and betulinic acid has been shown to have really powerful and potent anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties. And if you want to learn more about that, just do a Google research and you'll see where I got that, and you'll see a lot of other information and studies that really support and can further your education on that. From there, these betulinic acids and betulin have been shown to have similar properties to the triterpenes that are found in reishi and some of the other medicinal mushrooms, as far as supporting the functioning of the liver, for helping to reduce inflammation, and again for having sort of anti-cancer and tumor effects. And for that reason, taking chaga along with any other medicinal mushroom is really a pretty profound and a great combination, and something that works well and synergizes quite well together. From there, chaga is really rich in melanin, which some people believe actually can feed and nourish our pineal gland, or what's called our third eye. And on top of that, because of all these properties, it's known to have sort of beautification, enhancement properties for the skin, the hair, the nails, and even for the eyesight. As we mentioned earlier, chaga is one of the great immune tonic herbs. Now what that means is it's not an immune stimulant or an immune depressant. It's something which sort of goes in and educates our immune system to function more optimally and intelligently. So that if we have sort of depressed immune functions, it can intelligently bring that up. But if we have excessive or autoimmune things, it can sort of calm that down and bring it back to balance. So some herbs, just stimulate our immune system, just ramp it up, but that's not always a good thing, and that might not actually be what we need. So where chaga and other medicinal mushrooms like reishi or cordyceps and even gynostemma, they can go in and educate our immune system to be able to function more intelligently in a balanced and sustainable way. And obviously this is important because not only is chaga a great antioxidant, a great immune tonic, a great adaptogen, a great herb for protecting the integrity of our genetics, all this is important because we're constantly being bombarded with a whole wide range of stressors, whether they are physical, mental, emotional, or even energetic, in the form of electromagnetic pollution, Wi-Fi, just being around electronics all day, being on computers all day. These things are stressing our cells, stressing our immune system, putting a lot of stress on our body in general. So having something that's an immune tonic that can help our immune system adapt to this bombardment of stress, and having something that's a great adaptogen that can modulate our stress cycle, as well as being detoxifying and cleansing to our blood and our liver, it just really makes sense because we have all of these things that are happening in our modern world, things that we can easily just get upset about and complain about, but really it makes more sense to invest our energy in being proactive, meaning, I heard a quote once that said basically the best offense is a good defense. So really it pays to be proactive and actually do things which can protect us and help mitigate all the side effects from all this stuff we're inevitably exposed to just by living in the modern, everyday world. Chaga has actually been shown to be extremely safe, both scientifically as well as traditionally throughout its thousands of years of cultural usage. And again, chaga has been called, gift from the gods from Siberian herbalism, called diamond of the woods from Japan. It's called God's mushroom. It has all these different names, but in reality, it's just one of the great immune tonics, one of the great medicinal mushrooms, and adaptogens that we have access to right now at this time in history. So if you want to learn more, definitely check out the information on this page, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.